This single oven from Smeg is a great choice if you want a model which cleans itself and has amazing features. With a large 70-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including an eco setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Smeg's Superior Tangential Cooling System ensures your oven door stays cool. It works by using a special fan to circulate cool air around the oven cavity and up through the glass door. So your oven will always be safe to touch and operate on the outside, even while you're cooking those delicious hot meals. The pyrolytic setting is an amazing self-cleaning function that does the hard work for you. Once selected, it burns away any grease and food residue by raising the temperature to around 500 degrees. The door locks for your safety, and once the program is complete, any ash that's left behind can easily be wiped away. If you want a model which cleans itself and has amazing features, this single oven from Smeg is a great choice.